Yeah, this looks like it's been a very productive little spot, and I can't really get past this branch on the right hand side, so we'll go up towards there and see if we squeeze a few more casts out beyond it. This kind of stretch continues up, looks pretty similar for the next I don't know, is it 50 yards or so. Just gotta be careful. Two things: not spooking fish and not tripping over some of these rocks here in the water. Oh, I had a bite there. There we go. Okay, the net looks to be just in the lip. Little guy. But again, gotta get a look at those spots. We'll get him back. There he goes. Here we go again. Oh, he got off. Yeah, we'll get up to the next spot and get beyond that branch. Sneak up to the log up here and to the edge of the branch. Looks to be a nice covered kind of pool inside there. If how things have gone so far is anything to go by, should be a good one. Again, it's very quiet here, so just conscious of the wading. The coloured water will hide a lot, but it won't hide noise, so be careful on that. I see one fish moving up there already. See now if I can gently take another couple of steps up. Should do us. Yeah, we'll work our way out around that branch and off to the left. There we go. Oh, gone. There we go again. Slightly better guy. Usual acrobatics. Oh no, he's small enough, but he's a fighter. Again, just slightly in the lip. Quick look. We'll let him back. You're a fighter, buddy. We'll see you when you're bigger. There we go. Okay, this will do us. Nice sheltered section. There we go. And one of these small guys in the net, buddy. There you go. Don't come out as you get in there. That's the little guy. And there he goes. Jumped out of my hand. Very lively fish, I must say, today. There we go. Little guy again. just in front of me. Oh, he's okay, guy. He's a nice fish. Nice fish. He's on the bigger end of what we've seen today. Just right in front of me there, he took it. Nice fat guy as well. They're eating well up around here. There's a load of him out of the net. We'll have a quick look at him. He's a nice guy. He's up there with the best so far today. Get him. Lovely guy. And some big black spots. Less red. Let him downstream. Good luck, buddy. Away you go. Okay, we'll give it another few casts. There we go again. Little guy. Oh, he's gone off. Self-release. Did make a bit of noise getting up here, so it might have disturbed the spot. No, we got one. Nice guy as well, it looks like. Oh, the acrobatics paid off. Still nice to hook him. Hopefully there's more in here. Yeah, another one. Oh, another nice one. There we go, a fat guy as well. Nice chubby fish up here. Looks like just one in the lip as well. Yeah, perfect. Best fish of the day, I'd say, so far. Nice chubby guy. Nice red spots. Let him downstream. There you go, buddy. Best of luck. Non-stop action here as well. It's been non-stop action really since we started. Really shows the benefit of these conditions, and I'd say maybe it's so good because we've gone so long without rain. The fish are maybe delighted to have a bit of cover and a bit of more water to play in again. And I can make a bit more noise coming up here. I just kind of quieten it down once I get towards the slower water, but this noise on the fast water will cover my sins. There we can see the foam line coming down the right hand side here, veering off to the left, so that's where we'll target to begin with. Not as deep as the other section there we've just been on, or all the sections really so far had nice deep spots. It's a bit shallower, but still worth a shot. There we go. Oh, spectacular. Got into the bushes and got away. Nice fish too. Nice fish. Just in at the left hand side there. Not much room to operate here really, but I'll try. There we go. Nice fish. Hook came out. Look at this guy. Lovely colour, kind of paler. Let him back. Best of luck, buddy. Lovely. Beautiful spot. Okay, we'll try the same again. We don't want to catch that branch. And we're properly wrapped around that dam. We have to go up and try to get it. Okay, we've got a real rugged section here ahead of us. couple of little pockets. You're not going to catch loads of fish there, but there might be one or two. Yeah, nice, decent sized pool ahead of us here. A little bit more room to manoeuvre. There we go. Oh, gone. There we go. Oh, nice fish it looks like. Time to pop up, baby. There we go. He's up there with the best of the day. Just in the lip. Lovely. Lively. Relax, buddy. Maybe not the biggest of the day, but definitely up there. In that slightly paler colour. Beautiful. Look at that. Been really, really treated today. Let it back. Beautiful. I suspected we were getting nothing on the left hand side. You can see the foam line coming down the right. So I got over here, I got a cast out there and paid off. There are, you can see the waves going across the pool there from my wading, so even with the coloured water, that could be enough to spook the fish. So we won't spend too much longer here. Yeah, here we go, there's another one. Okay one as well, I think. Well, lively anyway. It's okay, small guy. Oh, got off. Self-released. That's okay. Been on the copper all day. It's really done the trick. Definitely prefer that in the coloured water. And if I had any doubts, today is definitely telling us the way to go. Here we go, another one. Oh, another one off. Joys of the barbless hooks, but another fish met. Here we go again. Oh, off again. Acrobatics paid off. I do like that back end here as well, but this branch in the middle is obstructing the angle. We'll get over to the right hand side here and see if we can find an angle. There we go. Lift him over the branch. Oh, he's gone. Okay, guy. We go again. Oh, spectacular. Gone. What a jump. Might just be worth one or two casts at the back if I can get it. Okay, I'm up with a tree, I think. No. There we go. you go, buddy. Not a bad one. Okay, we'll get him back. And a little guy, but again, beautiful fish in here. Best of luck. There we go. He's sitting at the end of the pool here, nice guy. Oh, gone. He was up there with the best of the day. He was sitting between the two rocks here. Just took it down near the end. Spectacular escape once again. Another stunning looking spot here. Really been treated to beautiful scenery and amazing fishing today. It's really been a dream day. There we go. Up over the rock. Come to Papa. Oh, off again. Ah, so many got away today, and here was again another nice one. Some of the best ones have gotten away with the barbless hooks, but it's all part of the fun and games. What? Oh my god. I think he was on there, but he wasn't really pulling. He just escaped down by my feet. I think he just took it there between those rocks. Here we go. Another one. Again, decent size. Keep him between the rocks here. Pretty good. Where's he gone? Get in the net. There we go. Right, not as big as he seemed. Really firm fighting fish we've been meeting all day. Even the small guys are really good. He's decent, he's decent. Just one hook in the lip here. There we go. Again, have a quick look. Beautiful, beautiful. It's probably in the right average size of what we've been getting today. Let him back. See you when you're bigger, buddy. Flew downstream. Okay, we'll keep going. There we go again, and another nice one. Fine size fish up around here. There we go. There we go. Really nice. Just in the lip. Real selection of fine fish, one after the other here. Well up on the average for this stream. Again, he's a nice fat fella. Look at the belly on him. Beautiful. We'll let him away. Best of luck, buddy. My God, what a day of fishing. Unbelievable. I haven't moved. I've had several fine fish in a row. Lost a few of them, but serious action in this spot. Again. Let's try and manoeuvre him in these, between these rocks. He's up over on it. Getting a nice size. Oh, come back. Come in the net. There we go. Again, on the higher end of the average. Big spots. Only a couple of red ones at the back. Whoa, there we go. Oh my God. Fantastic. Okay, we'll keep going. Can't be many more left up there, I wonder. Imagine. There we go again, and again a nice one. Oh, not as big as the other couple, but nice. Let him back. Again, it's probably exactly on the average size. Best of luck. There we go. Okay, we'll keep going. Boo! Nothing on that cast. Let's sneak around this bush and see what's around the corner. Yeah. More of a pool. I think I'll just fish up as far as you can see the trees covering the water up above. I think I'll just fish this little section and we'll call it a day. And what a day. There we go. Oh, he's gone past me, I was wondering. There we go. Another decent fish. I'm saving the best for last, it seems, today. Just on the average size, I think. Okay. There you go. Yeah, we'll just try into the left here first. Here we go. There we go, in the mesh. Again, just the average kind of size. Beautiful red spots though, look at those. Let's say goodbye. Okay, we'll try the same spot again. And another one. Oh wait, got away. Here we go. There we go, in the net. Yeah, slightly smaller one, but they're all fun. Hook out. Relax, buddy, we're letting you back. Let's see again. Pale. Lots of red spots. Let's send him on his way. Try over the other side. There we go. Oh, gone. Slightly bigger fish, but that's okay. Let's step up here and target that back right hand corner for our last few casts. Oh, little guy tried to take it there. Okay. We'll call that the last cast. What a day, what a session. Unbelievable. I'm hoping it's been a good day and going to be a good weekend for anglers up and down the country, especially the south of Ireland here. Been absolutely starved of rain for the last few months. The first real significant rain there for the last few days. it didn't seem to be enough to even do much to the river. It wasn't even as much rain as had been predicted, so I was surprised when we arrived to see such a colour on the water and a bit of a rise on the water. So conditions were absolutely perfect in that sense. I'd imagine a lot of fish had been feeding a lot less in the low and clear and very hot water for the last little while there, so it seems like there was a bit of a feeding frenzy going on today. And I don't know, I have no idea how many fish. I'm gonna have to total it up when I look back on the video, but I can certainly say it was a lot. We lost a lot too, but we landed a lot. A lot of fine trout as well, no real monster, but plenty of really nice ones. So really a dream session. So gonna call it there. I'm gonna start heading back to the car, but again, gotta give thanks to be lucky to be able to fish in places like this. Actually never fished this spot before. It's really wild, really hard to get into. I don't imagine many or any people are really fishing it, so that's probably part of the reason we saw so many fish as well. They're not used to being fished for. But whatever it was, the fishing gods really smiled on us today, so I gotta give thanks to that. I gotta thank you for watching this far. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new here, please like, share and especially subscribe. Hit the notification bell as well if you want to make sure and catch every video as they come out. And thanks to everybody who has been subscribing recently, really helps the channel. So until the next day, I'll be back on another stream, another river in Ireland very soon. Until then, take care.